Hey howdy hey y'all, in today's edition of What's on the Porch, it's BoxyCharm. Already? What? Let's dig into it. Today's theme is Super Bloom. Here's the card with all the product information on it, and the variation code, which I have no idea what that means. We have Elemis Superfood Midnight Facial. I thought that said Midnight Special when I looked at it. This is a nourishing sleeping cream for all skin types. Defined by nature, led by science. This is worth $50, and it's a prebiotic overnight sleeping cream that leaves dry, thirsty skin feeling super soft, radiant, and replenished with moisture upon awakening. Here's what the packaging looks like. That's super cute. It's in a glass jar. And there's what it looks like. It smells really good, nice and fresh. It is a very thin cream, which I like. I bet this almost feels like a water cream. Yep. Almost feels like a water cream. That feels really good. Let's see how often we need to use this. Apply to cleanse dry skin every night, or a minimum of twice weekly as a spoiling skin treat. If contact with eyes occurs, rinse thoroughly. Do not eat. This is a cosmetic. Okay. Apparently somebody must have tried to eat the Superfood Midnight Facial. I like it, I like it. Next we have Fenty Beauty. That is very blingy. It has glitter. Look, can you see it? Look at the glitter falling off of it. Can y'all see that? There is glitter. The entire box was covered in glitter. Super cute. This is Diamond Bomb, all over Diamond Veil, and this retails for $40. It is a one-of-a-kind diamond dusted highlighter that applies like a 3D glittering veil, delivering pure, show-stopping sparkle all over the face and body. How many carats is the shade? I want to say that this was one of the items that I chose. Oh, look at how pretty the packaging is. Very pretty. Oh, mama. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, want to talk about bling bling. My goodness. That is so pretty. That is just, I love it. Alright, I'm going to set that to the side. We will try that on the cheeks here in just a minute. I got glitter and stuff everywhere, y'all. Next we have the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Ultra Pure Facial Oil. This retails for $68, and it says, get that lit from within glow with this multitasking Truffle Therapy Ultra Pure Facial Oil, formulated with a proprietary ultra-rich and antioxidant black winter truffle extract, brightening carrot oil, nourishing blend of olive, jojoba, sweet almond, and sunflower oils, and soothing calendula extract. This exclusive non-comedogenic formula absorbs quickly into the skin to deeply moisturize and optimize hydration. Y'all see this big box with this little bottle of oil in it. Big box. Pretty packaging. Alright, let's try some. Try it here on the back of my hand. See how oily it is. It smells really good. It is definitely an oil, but it doesn't feel, see it on my hand? It doesn't feel super greasy though. It feels like it's absorbing into the skin. Wow, I can see a big difference in the skin on the back of my hand. Very nice. That smells really good, but it has a very light scent. It's not overbearing at all. Alrighty, next we have Laruce Beauty 3-piece contour brush set that has glitter all over it. You see it from the Fenty packaging. This is a 3-piece contour brush set, limited edition pouch. It has a flat angle brush, contour blending, and angled shading are the perfect brush trio for contouring with your favorite formulas. They apply and seamlessly blend contours for the most flawless finish, and it retails for $50. I wonder if the glitter is extra. Here's what they look like. I have some Laruce brushes. They all have black handles, so I'm kind of liking these pink handles. They're nice and heavy. They have a nice weight to them. So this is your contour brush here. And this is your blending. Nice and soft. They feel really good. It's got glitter all over it. And then this is your angled shading brush. Very nice. Nice brushes. So I'll use one of those in a minute to try out that bling bling highlighter. Look at the glitter. I'm going to have glitter for days. Next we have KVD Beauty Epic Kiss Nourishing Vegan Butter Lipstick. Right here. Upside down. Epic Kiss. KVD Beauty Epic Kiss Nourishing Vegan Butter Lipstick. This retails for $22, and it says it's a high pigment lipstick and hydrating lip care, both buttery and vegan. And this is in the shade Lolita. And my daughter has subscribed to BoxyCharm, and she got her box today. And she got a KVD lipstick. Look at the packaging. That's super cute. I don't know what shade she got, but it was really pretty because we were video chatting. I want to say she got, did she get a liquid? I don't know, maybe not. I was not expecting this to be a lippy pencil thingy hoo-ha. Let's see what it looks like, shall we? Well, that went on really easy, and it's nice and creamy. Not really sticky. Packed with pigment for one swipe color with a comfortable, shiny finish. Powered by vegan Cuppacoo butter to help nourish the lips and give it that ultra buttery, balm-like feel. Lips look smooth and full. The slim case is made from 80% post-consumer recycled materials. I love that, and it retails for $22. I think I said that already. That's very nice. Brandy was complaining that she was used to lipsticks that dry down, and I told her to take her setting powder and set it, which blew her mind. She wanted to know why. She never knew that, but if any of you ladies do not know that, if you have a lipstick that will not dry down, you can set it with your setting powder. The last item in my box is this Tresluce Beauty Eterno liquid liner. This retails for $15 and it's made with a petite brush tip for quick, easy, and precise application. Mastering a novella-inspired bold wing has never been easier than with this liquid liner. And here's what it looks like. Very pretty packaging. And there's the brush. That's nice. Yep. Nice fine line. I like it. So, let's try out this highlighter, shall we? Should I use a big brush or a little brush? Go big or go home, isn't that what they say? Oh, look at that. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, I can see it. Look at that. I mean, that's straight up glitter, y'all, but look at how pretty that is. Brandy is going to have a fit because I fuss at her all the time about how much highlighter she has put on her cheeks. Not fuss at her because she can wear as much as she wants to, but I like to give her a hard time. Oh, my goodness. Look at that shiny nose. Wow. I mean, look, my cheeks look wet. Very nice. I like it. I love my shiny stuff. So, I'm rubbing the brush on my hand. I got highlighter all over my hand. Alright, let's add this puppy up and see what we got. So my box came to $245 and I paid $35 for my box because I subscribed for a year. That's a good deal. I like everything in my box. I only have what, one makeup product, two because I do have the eyeliner, but I'm okay with that. I liked everything that I got. So there we go. BoxyCharm on the 6th of May. I'm shocked. If you enjoyed my video, show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye. Christopher, have I given you this tip before? Seems like maybe I have. I mean, you could do with as shiny as that is, you could do like SOS if you were ever in trouble. Send bait. Okay, so you need to get you some Fenty Beauty bling bling, Morse code, SOS send bait thingy. Okay, Mama loves you, boo.